Why are they so quick to leave objectively good leaders behind just because they do not agree on every single thing perfectly? Granted, most ng mga pinakita kong posts only has a few likes, retweets, replies, or views. Pero it's a symptom of a much larger at dangerous na precedent kung saan kailangan perpekto at completely align ang ating mga iboboto. We hold these people to such a high bar to the point na yung mga maliliit na, we enable people to easily pass through that high of a bar. Samantalang sila na mataas, nahihirapan, bumba for the bar. Okay, that doesn't really make sense as an analogy, but you get what I'm trying to say. Now, when they found out na Heidi isn't one of the Risa Ontiveros or AOC types of people, they lashed out sa soji and abortion stance niya. This is why we can't have nice things. I mean, you shouldn't just withdraw your support because they didn't agree with you on literally everything you stand for. Liberals and pseudo-leftists want everything to work perfectly, instantly, and without much friction. But that's not reflective of what governing is, especially when trying to revert back to the center after this much corruption, logical, political, and economically. Systematically entrenched ang mga ito, at kailangan natin unti-unting i-push to the center.